Hey, it's Matt Green at Glocker Real Estate. I'm out here at 900 North Franklin Street for the next episode of In the Works. On this project, we're going to be talking about the Pottstown Senior High School's comprehensive high school. In particular, we're going to be talking from guys and girls from the construction technologies class, Mr. Jarrett's building class. I've got 3 of these guys out here working with me today, and they're working on the property. They'd like to introduce themselves, tell you who they are and what they're into.
My name is Jarrett. I attend the Pottstown High School, and the trade I'm trying to pursue is carpentry and woodworking.
My name is Lance. I attend Pottstown High School as well, and I'm pursuing masonry.
I'm Norris, and I'm trying to go to trade school at the high school.
There you go. Thanks to the help of these guys and girls that were out here helping us throughout this project, we're actually ahead of schedule. It's been a great experience for us to be working with them. It's good experience for them. They're getting to learn their trade and getting some hands-on skill in high school before they move on to the next level. Thanks for tuning into In the Works. Welcome to 900 North Franklin Street. Talk about some of the tech programs that are going on at the high school as well.
Yeah, I mean, it's not just VOTEC, it's a comprehensive high school. And one of the things that I think is outstanding about Pottstown High School is our comprehensive high school. What that means is, at other schools, if you want to be in the VOTEC program, you have to go to a totally different place to do that. You don't have to do that at Pottstown. It's all under one roof. So what does that allow you to do? Well, if you're a kid and you're 15, 16, and you're not sure, do I want to go to college, do I want to go into the trades? Guess what? You can do it all.
Right.
You can go take VOTEC, you can learn how to be a chef, and you can go take AP English, all under one roof. Mm-hmm. And that allows our children so many more opportunities, not to mention the real hands-on skills they can get there. I mean, go eat some of the food that's prepared there.
I've had it.
It's great stuff.
Yeah.
And it's right there, so you don't have to decide, okay, well, if I go over here, then I can't have access to these classes. And what that does is trains kids, so when they graduate high school, they might be ready to go right into the workforce or go into a school that might be a year or so, but they have all those skills. And listen, if you're a welder, that's a skill, that's a highly trained skill, that's a career. You can make a great living doing welding. You know, if you want to be a plumber, if you want to be in construction, listen, getting those hands-on skills, you can go out, work with your hands, make a great living, provide a great service to the community by learning those things right in high school. Those are really important jobs. Right. Listen, when my plumbing goes, I can only fix so much. I need one of those guys to come out, and I try to do as much as I can because they aren't cheap. Right. Those guys are making
a
good solid living, and they're contributing really important work to society. And that's what I want for my kids at Rupert and anywhere else.
I'm proud to be from Pottstown. I know that my sons, who are Trojans, are proud to be from Pottstown. I know you are a Pottstown guy. Absolutely. Long time. We grew up together, worked together, played together, and I'm glad to have you on my show In the Works. Thanks for representing Pottstown School District.
Thank you, man.
So we're inside here at 900 North Franklin Street. We're in the bathroom that I highlighted before. Earlier in the video series, I talked about how we were going to try to save as much of this bathroom as possible. At the end of the day, because of some problems that we ran into during construction, what we were able to save was the hand-laid tile in the floor. While we were working on this bathroom in particular and the rest of the house, we had some of Mr. Jarrett's students from the Pottstown Senior High School construction. I believe you referred to that as the CTE program. And what does that stand for?
Careers in Technical Education.
And what are the different trades that you cover in your classroom at CTA?
Okay, we start off with blueprint reading. Once we get done blueprint reading, we go on to masonry. From there, you go in concrete placement. Once we have concrete placement, we go into foundations, how to frame a floor. Then you go from the floor to the walls, how to frame a wall. Then we go into roof framing. Then once we have the structure of the house built, then we go into the gut as far as how to the intro to plumbing, electrical, and everything from there.
So basically, you're covering all of the different aspects of building trades. You're
Yes.
teaching these guys and girls how to build a house from the ground up, really.
Yes, well, we actually built several houses in the shop. They get the experience in the shop firsthand before we come out.
And then once you're out here, your students were teamed up with the various tradesmen, working in the trades, getting hands-on experience, and really, thanks to your help and the help of your students, we're ahead of schedule here.
Yeah, that was the great thing about this job right here, because I didn't want them to graduate and their first experience on the job site was when they graduated. The great thing about here, they were actually able to work with contractors here to get job site experience while they're still in school. So this is actually a plus because the kids can actually get real world experience out in the field, and also if you have any mistakes to make, you're still in school, so it's not that bad.
Right. I understand. That's great. And I think the one thing that I like about it too is companies like Find Solutions Properties, some of the other companies, these folks are really on the cutting edge of revitalizing Pottstown. So we're using kids from the neighborhood, from the community, to help fix, revitalize, and promote their town, their school.
Exactly.
In the workforce.
Exactly.
Experienced labor in the workforce.
Exactly.
That's great.
That's right.
Mr. Jarrett, thanks for coming out. Thanks for talking to us about your CTA program. You and your students have been a great help to us
I
here at
appreciate it.
900 North Franklin Street.
Yes, sir.
Thanks.
All right.